What's up guys, hope you are doing well there, and welcome to the channel Seek Show. So I'm going to show you something important, and you must know this thing if you are using Facebook. If you want to safeguard yourself and protect your privacy from Facebook, watch this video till the end and you will be surprised about what the Facebook is doing to you. Let's get started, but before that, hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell button for future notifications. Okay, right, I'm logging to my Facebook. There are two apps for Facebook. You can see the Facebook and Facebook Lite. So first of all, I'm going to Facebook, and you can see, yes, the settings where you should find, yes, click here and go to your settings and privacy. And I think if you are using Facebook, you have never come and you have never see these settings, the way Facebook is tracking you. And go to your I have actually two things to show you. The one thing is that Facebook is doing to you, how the Facebook is tracking you. And go to here, the settings, right, and here off Facebook activity. Just see these settings. Facebook is tracking everything about you, even if you are offline, right? So let's get into this off Facebook activity setting. Click here and you will see how Facebook is tracking you, right? What you can do, you can manage your off Facebook activity. That means Facebook is tracking you even you are out of the Facebook, right? That means Facebook is tracking your apps, right? Even your banking apps, Facebook can tracking you. So I am going to enter my password here, submit. Right, now you can see the history of your activity, right? Facebook is tracking every possible way, right? What you are using, what are the apps, and the way you use your apps. Even if you are banking apps, every app you are using is tracking by Facebook, right? So please make sure to clear the history. Right here you have the option to clear the history. By default it is enabled, so make sure to search and come to this setting and clear the history and select this activity to turn off, right? Okay, but I will do this later. But another thing you must see, so disconnect all Facebook activity history from your account. You can clear the history of the off Facebook activity, right? Here you can see the apps that you have been using. Here all the apps have been recorded by the Facebook. And again, this thing is a must, right? You must go to these more options, these two. Even if you enable or disable these two settings, that will not be a matter for Facebook, right? It is also hiding some options, right? Please go to these more options and see more about Facebook options of Facebook activity, right? And here you can you must go to this manage future activity. Choose whether you off Facebook activity is saved with your account. Please click this one, and here again, right, this keep going, and Facebook is mysteriously collecting your data and tracking you, what you are doing, what are the off Facebook activity, what are the apps that you are using, right? All this data is used for showing the ads for you, right? User specific ads. And let's go to this manage future activity, right? This is the one you must turn off. This is the one you must turn off, right? Off Facebook activity future. That means even if you disable the previous settings, Facebook is continuously collect your data, right? That means whatever you are doing in the future is collected by as data by the Facebook, right? So future of Facebook activity, you must turn this off, right? And right here, turn off the Facebook activity. So that is the important thing you must do, right? Facebook is collecting your data and tracking you. Another thing, I have more to show you, right? Please go to the settings in the Facebook app. You can find the same settings in the Facebook Lite tab, right? So activity you have turned off, you can search for the activities that you have already turned off, right? Make sure to turn off the future of Facebook activity. Why? The Facebook is tracking you in every possible way, right? I'm going back. Make sure to clear the history. Now I'm not clearing, right? Go back, and there are some settings you must see. But other thing I also want to show you, right here you can see this your time on Facebook. Click on this one, right? If you have addicted to Facebook, right? If you are using Facebook too much, Facebook have developed some options for us to control ourselves, right? Here you can see the time that you have been using the Facebook, right? This is a nice option. So Facebook users can assess their self, right? How much they are using Facebook, even in the day and night times, right? And if you want, you can get a weekly update here, right? This is the option. You can get a weekly update about the time of the Facebook, right? And you can see the activity log. This is a common, and this is the most important thing to control and manage your time with Facebook. There are 3 options. You can control the notifications, right? You can turn on and turn off your notifications using these settings, right? And manage your time. See the tools, click here, and you can use this quiet mode and scheduled quiet mode, right? Also, there is a daily time reminder. You can use these settings to control your Facebook usage or reduce your Facebook usage if you are only addicted to Facebook or if you are working in the Facebook, right? And also you can get more about your time, and you can modify the news feed preferences, right? That means you can unfollow the unwanted pages, unwanted peoples, and you can set favorites. And if you have unfollowed some useful pages, you can reconnect with those things, right? This is something important settings that you must check on your Facebook app. Other than that, you can see your time here. That means you can use the Facebook intentionally, right? Focus on when you need to do the Facebooking, right? So these are the 2 major things that you must visit on your Facebook app, right? The first one I showed you. Go to settings, and here you must change the off Facebook activity. Why? Facebook is collecting in every possible way, collecting your data, right? And show your user specific ads, right? They use every data, every app you have been using, right? So that is the first setting you must turn off, right? Please make sure to turn off this Facebook is indirectly controlling you and your life, right? If you want to safeguard and if you want to protect your privacy, please turn off this Facebook activity. And also, if you are Facebook addicted, make sure to use your time on Facebook by using these settings, right? So those are the things that I wanted to show you and share with you in this video, and I hope this helps. Please make sure to share this valuable video with your Facebook addicted friend and Facebooking friends among the friends. And if you learn something new from this video, you can comment and you can put your idea on this video and use the comment section. If you want something new, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button down there and click the bell icon to get more informations, more videos in this channel. I will be back with the next video soon. Till then, and take care. Goodbye.